on. Like, can you close the door, please? Can you close the door?
It stinks, Pat.
It reeks, man. Close the door.
It actually does.
God, that is awful.
Burn that thing in hell.
You can still smell the fridge from right here. It's not even open.
Oh,
we even have a
no.
sign on it. Oh my God.
It smells like Bigfoot.
It smells so bad, and we want to know if anyone has a worse fridge than our fridge today. Some of this stuff has been here for at least 2 years. You can see some of the shrapnel at the bottom. We are basically looking for the refrigerator, the NFC East of work refrigerators is what we're looking for. The dumpster fires and refrigerators. Send us go ahead and send it to us on Twitter here, hashtag 975thefanatic. And if you have a worse work refrigerator than we do, please send it to us. You might win yourself some fine prizes. Thanks very much. God, that's terrible.